So the problem is k closest points to origin. Let's understand this question. So a 2D array is given to us. So it's a array. So this is our array. This is our array. So this is the index 0, 1, 2. So 3 is the x coordinate, 2 is the y coordinate. Then 2 is the x coordinate, 3 is the y coordinate. And the third coordinate is 1 and 2. Okay. Now let's draw the xy plane. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3, and this is origin 0. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So let's plot the coordinates. So 3 and the first coordinate 3 and 2 will lie some here. This is 3, 2. The second coordinate 2, 3 will be here, 2 and 3, and 1 and 2 will be lie here, 1 and 2. So the question is saying, give me, suppose k is 2. Question is saying, give me the k points which are closest to origin. Okay. So to find the distance between origin and points, we can use hypotenuse formula. So this is our hypotenuse, this is our perpendicular, and this is our base. So this is how we will find this distance. Okay. So we will find the distance of it. So from the origins. So for this, it will be 3 square plus 2 square and root it. So how much it will become? Root 9 plus 4, that is root 13. Okay. I will write k equal to 2 here. And for this, it will become 2 square plus 3 square. So it will become 4 plus 9, that is 13. Okay. And for this, it will become 1 square plus 2 square. So it will become root 5. Okay. For the sake of simplicity in the code, we don't need to find the root. We can compare this. We can compare this only. 13, 13 and 13. Okay. Because if x square is greater than y square, so x will also be greater than y. So we don't need to find the root of it. Okay. So the solution is very easy. I will create a point array. I will create a array of point, and point is containing x, y, and d. So for this, x is 3, y is 2, and distance is 13. So if we will sort this, so we will get the point array like this: 3, 2, and 13. And the second point will be 2, 3, and 13. And the third point will be 1, 2, and 5. So if we will sort this point array in respect of distance, so it will become 1, 2, 5, 3, 2, 13, and 2, 3, 13. Okay. And the question is saying, give us k points which are closest to origin. So k is 2 here, so this is these are the points. Okay, then we can have answer array. We will create an answer array of 2 of k length, and we will put this 1 and 2. We will just create a 2D array like this, and we will put x coordinate 1 and y coordinate 2, and for this x coordinate 3 and y coordinate as 2, and this answer array we can return. So this will be our answer. So let's code it. So I will find the length of the points array. So points dot length. Okay, now I need to create a point class point int x, int y, and int d. Okay, now I will create constructor point int x, int y, int d. This dot x equal to x, this dot y equal to y, this dot d equal to d. Now since we need to sort it, we need a comparator also. So I will create a comparator point comparator implements comparator of point. Now public int compare point p1 point p2. So we will sort in the ascending order because we need to find the k closest points to the origin. So p1 dot x, p1 dot d is greater than if p2 dot d, then return 1, else if p1 dot d is less than p2 dot d, return -1, else return 0. Now I will create the point array. I will give name p, new point n. Now I will iterate the input array, that is points, and I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, now I will take the x coordinate points I 0. I will take the y coordinate points I 1. I will find the distance x into x plus y into y. Then I will put it into our point array, p of I equal to new point x, y, d. Then I will sort this p array, arrays dot sort p. So I need to use comparator also. So point comparator pc equal to new point comparator, and I will pass this comparator to this sort method. Okay, now our array is sorted. Now we just need to pick k elements from this p array. Okay, so I will create a answer array whose length is k, and there will be 2 columns. Okay, now I will iterate the p array I k times only, I plus plus. Now I will put the x coordinate. I will take x coordinate from p array, then I will take the second, I will take the column, I will take the y coordinate from p array. Now our answer array is ready. Now we can return this, return the answer array. Now run it and check. So it got accepted. Now let's submit it. So it got submitted. Now what is the time complexity of this solution? So here we are iterating n times, so n. Here we are using sort, so n log n. And here we are iterating k times. So n plus n log n plus k. And n and k are smaller as compared to n log n. So we can ignore n and k, and we can say the time complexity is order of n log n. And what is the space complexity here? Since we are using point p array, so we are using n space here. So the space complexity will be order of n. So this was our approach 1. In the next video, I will optimize the time complexity to k log n. So hope you have learned something. Thanks for watching.